Are you looking for the best marine battery? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best marine battery on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Renogy Deep Cycle AGM Battery. The HP Sprocket Studio Plus is a compact 4x6 wireless instant photo printer that uses dye sublimation technology to produce smudge-proof, waterproof, and tear-resistant prints. It connects via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and is controlled through the HP Sprocket mobile app, which allows users to edit photos with filters, stickers, frames, collages, and more before printing. The printer holds up to 18 sheets and produces 300 dpye borderless prints that are dry to the touch almost instantly. It offers creative features like photo ID, photo booth, and collage options, making it ideal for fun, personalized home printing. While the print quality is generally very good, some users note minor color inaccuracies and that the printer can heat up during extended use. Overall, it is a convenient and portable solution for casual photo projects directly from a smartphone. Number 2, Mighty Max Battery. The Mighty Max 12V55H Deep Cycle Battery, ML55-12, is a sealed lead-acid (SLA) AGM battery designed for deep cycle applications such as trolling motors, small boats, pontoons, backup power, and off-grid solar setups. It is maintenance-free, spill-proof, and vibration-resistant, allowing it to be mounted in virtually any position. The battery measures approximately 9.06 x 5.43 x 8.98 and provides a high discharge rate with reliable performance across a wide range of temperatures. It uses a heavy-duty calcium alloy grid for durability, and its recommended charging parameters are 14.4 to 14.7 V for cyclic use, 13.6 to 13.8 V for float use. With a low internal resistance and long service life, the ML55-12 delivers consistent power for medium demand loads. While it is relatively heavy and does not include mounting hardware, it offers a cost-effective, high-performance option for portable power applications and comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 3, OPTIMA D34M Batteries. The OPTIMA Bluetop D34M is a 12V AGM battery designed for dual-purpose use, combining deep cycle and starting capabilities, making it ideal for marine and RV applications. It delivers 750 cold cranking amps, CCA, and 870 marine cranking amps, MCA, with a 20-hour capacity of 55 Ah and a reserve capacity of 120 minutes. Built with Optima's spiral seller technology using 99.99% pure lead, it offers up to 15 times more vibration resistance and up to 3 times the lifespan of standard flooded batteries. The battery is maintenance-free, non-spillable, and can be mounted in almost any orientation. Measuring approximately 10.1006 6.8 xx 7.94 and weighing 43.5 kg, it features dual SAE and 5/16 in stainless steel stud posts for versatile installation. With recommended charging parameters of 13.65 to 15 V for fast charging, and 13.2, 13.8 V for float charging, the D34M provides reliable, long-lasting power for both starting engines and deep cycle applications. Number 4, Eco-Worthy LiFePO4 Lithium Battery. The Eco-Worthy 12V100AH Life PO4 battery is a lightweight, high-performance lithium iron phosphate battery with a total energy capacity of 1,280 mAh, designed for trolling motors, RVs, boats, and off-grid solar applications. It features Bluetooth 5.0 for real-time monitoring of voltage, current, and capacity via a mobile app, allowing users to track battery health and remaining life. Built in a BCI Group 24 form factor, 10.23 x 6.6 x 8.43, and weighing just 23 kg, it can directly replace traditional AGM or SLA batteries without modifying the electrical system. The battery uses automotive-grade cells with a built-in 100A BMS that protects against overcharge, overdischarge, overcurrent, short circuits, and low-temperature charging, with a cutoff below 7 degrees C to prevent damage. With thousands of cycles expected, a high energy density, and a robust safety profile, the eco-worthy 12V100AH Life PO4 offers long-lasting, reliable, and lightweight power for mobile and off-grid applications, backed by a 3-year warranty. Number 5. DC House Life PO4 Trolling Motors Battery. The DC House 12V100AH Life PO4 battery is a high-performance deep-cycle lithium battery designed for trolling motors, RVs, marine applications, and off-grid systems. It features Bluetooth monitoring via the DC House app, allowing real-time tracking of state of charge, voltage, current, and individual cell data, while an LED SoC indicator provides visual alerts for charge level, temperature, and BMS status. The built-in 100 Smart BMS protects against overcharge, overdischarge, overcurrent, short circuits, and temperature extremes, with low temperature cutoff preventing charging below 0 degrees Celsius and discharging below 23 degrees. Constructed with Grade A Life PO4 cells and UL/UN 38.3 certified, the battery offers up to 15,000 cycles and approximately 10 years of service life. It has a nominal voltage of 12.8 V, supports continuous 50. A current with peaks up to 100 A, and measures 10.23 x 6.61 x 9.23, weighing 23.8 watts with M8 terminals. With its long lifespan, robust safety features, and convenient monitoring, the DC House 100 Life PO4 is a reliable and durable solution for mobile and off-grid energy storage.